Eagle Precision Cast Parts is a leading provider of precision ferrous and non-ferrous investment castings. Investment castings can be produced with complex shapes and detailed designs. Our team will work with you in the design stage to ensure a quality part is produced as cost-effectively as possible. We provide tight linear tolerances with superior surface finishes. Our process brings greater design flexibility, often eliminating the need for multi-piece fabrications or minimizing the need for secondary machining operations. This enhances the design of your component, reduces machining costs, and creates savings. At Eagle Precision, we are committed to providing you with quality investment castings. Our customer-first philosophy allows us to offer you extreme accuracy, flexibility of design, and a delivery schedule that meets your production deadlines. As part of the Eagle Group, we manage your project from concept to completion.